Today we will be covering a useful topic, money, dinheiro in Portuguese. Knowing how to refer to money is essential when visiting or living in Portugal, and I want to help you learn the main vocabulary for prices and amounts, useful expressions, and practice pronunciation along the way. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy my content, don't also forget to follow me on Instagram, where I post more learning content and share my day-to-day life with my followers in Portuguese. E agora, vamos começar! The official currency in Portugal is the euro, in Portuguese, euro, in the plural, euros. The euro has been the official currency since 2002. Before that, we had the escudo. 1 euro was about 200 escudos at the time. In the beginning, it was very difficult for the Portuguese to get used to calculating prices, and many things became more expensive. Now, in 2023, everyone is used to the euro, but you might come across some elderly people that still think of the prices in escudos. Let's start with the bills, notas in Portuguese. The euro bills currently in circulation are the 5 euros, 10 euros, 20 euros, 50 euros, 100 e 200 euros. In the beginning, there was also the 500 euro bill, but it stopped being printed in 2019. When referring to bills, you can say uma nota de 5 euros, a 5 euro bill, duas notas de 10 euros, 2 10 euro bills. Or at the bank, if you want 200 euros in 20s, cria 200 euros em notas de 20. Remember, I have a video all about bank vocabulary if you wish to review it. As for coins, moedas, in Portugal we do not have a particular name for each coin, so we only refer to its amount. We have euro and 2 euros, and then we have cent coins. These are cêntimo, 2 cêntimos, 5 cêntimos, 20 cêntimos, and 50 cêntimos. Although it is a European currency, some countries in the Eurozone sometimes issue collector coins. This is what Portugal will do now in June, issuing a 5 euro coin with the image of a species of a dinosaur. If you are a collector, hurry up to find yours because there will be only 30,000 in circulation. Now let's learn how to tell prices of things. It is important to know that prices are written with a comma, separating the euros from the cêntimos, and that the euro symbol can appear both before the digits and after. Although there is an established rule, people write the way they prefer. Let's read values. Take a look at this example, 1 euro and 30 cents. Here we will read 1 euro 30, euro e 30. Notice how we read the unit, and instead of reading the comma, we say the name of the currency. Many times, we even skip it, e 30. We can say or omit the word cêntimo when we're reading prices, euro e 30 cêntimos. One interesting thing that happens when we have a price with 50 cents is that we often say meio, like half a euro, instead of 50 for 50. So 1 euro and 50 cents, euro e meio. For 2.50, we make the plural of the word euro, 2 euros e meio. My students often mention how difficult it is to understand some prices because of the phonetics. Take a look at these prices that I am about to read. 2 euros e meio versus 12 euros e meio. Here there is the phonetic connection of the final S of the 2 with the E of euros, making the sound of the S change to a Z sound. 2.5 euros, 2,5 euros. This makes it hard to tell the difference from the dos sound, 12,5 euros. This also happens with the number 3, 3 euros, and with 10, 10 euros. So a tip, when you don't understand well a price, repeat it yourself slowly to confirm it with the seller. This way you avoid misunderstandings. Just like in the US, we can use words like dough, bucks to talk about money. In Portugal, there are also similar expressions. Money in Portuguese can be called pasta, massa, cacau, carcanhol, guito, among others. I cover these words in detail in this video. Now let's imagine a situation. You are ordering a pastel de nata and a bica. The bill, conta, is $2.75, but you only have a 50 euro bill. Normally in Portugal, it is not usual to pay small amounts with such a large bill. So it's polite to say, desculpe, não tenho nada mais pequeno. Sorry, I don't have anything smaller. Or, desculpe, não tenho dinheiro trocado. Sorry, I don't have any change. Dinheiro trocado literally means changed money, coins. Of course, the empregado might complain a little and say, lá vou eu ficar sem trocos. I'm going to be out of change again. But in the end, he will give you your change back and say, aqui está o seu troco. Here's your change. If you are buying someone a coffee and you want to express it's on me, we usually just say, eu pago, I pay. Paying something cash is pagar em dinheiro. Paying with a debit card is the most common form in Portugal. Pagar com cartão multibanco, or just pagar com multibanco. On the other hand, if you are paying with credit card, pagar com cartão de crédito. I hope you are now more confident to ask for the check. A conta, por favor. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment. Até a próxima!